watching continuing coverage of Hurricane Matthew on WESH 2.
My message to everyone today is this is not a drill.
This area has never been hit with a storm of this size from the ocean.
You're up already, and the storm's not even near us. And if it's this rough now, God help us.
When that thing hits and you start seeing your roof collapse, it's a whole different situation.
If you need to evacuate and you haven't, evacuate. The storm will kill you.
As you can see from this coverage, officials not taking this storm lightly, using very serious language that you usually don't see officials using, but they are taking this very serious as we're talking about a Category 4, and those wind conditions can be deadly.
Yeah, we're saying basically right now at this point, you have about an hour left to get ready because Central Florida is shutting down and locking down Hurricane Matthew less than a day away. A brand new track and intensity map just released. Let's go over to First Alert Chief Meteorologist Tony Benalfi.
And Jim, here's the latest information now that we're getting from the National Hurricane Center. Look at those winds, still 140. Talking about a Cat 4 hurricane. Pressure's been steady all afternoon long at about 938 millibars. There is a little bit of a difference now in the intensity by 2 p.m. Friday, maybe just a little bit weaker, going from a 4 to a 3. Bottom line, though, it's a very strong 3, so that means there's really no change for you along the coast. Again, this is going to be a very dangerous. This is going to be one of those storms that you will remember for the rest of your lives. There's going to be some significant damage. Could be losing buildings as this storm goes by, beginning tomorrow morning, probably about right around midnight. And then you look at Saturday and Sunday, that storm system still powerful, but weakening as it goes by well to our north. Now located about roughly 95 miles due east of Fort Lauderdale. Very impressive eye, about 14 miles wide. Again, very impressive, big-time thunderstorms on the north side. We've been talking about that eye as it's, again, shrinks. It's been getting stronger. This is moving off towards the north and west, now roughly about 157 miles south of River County line. One of the things we like to show is the time that and the placement of movement. There we go. This is about a 3-hour loop right there, and you can see overall moving in that northwesterly fashion. Maybe a little bit of a wobble here over the last half hour, and that's one of the things we're going to watch. If it stays more to the east of this line, that could be very, very beneficial down the road when it comes to these hurricane force winds. Look at Freeport. It is about to get crushed. We're using the Miami radar. We're looking at the velocity winds to kind of get a fix on how strong those winds were. We're going to move this up 135 on the east side, 92 to 122, 121 on that southwest side, and even stronger on the north side. But Jim was